In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a function called join by location, which is going to join the attributes of one layer to another layer based on their spatial relationship. So what I'm going to do is load a shapefile of city council districts in New York City, as well as the layer of free meal locations during COVID. I'm going to start by downloading a shapefile of New York City council districts from a website called Bites of the Big Apple, which is operated by the Department of City Planning. In administrative and political districts, if I go to download, I'll have options for different district boundaries. So here I will take city council districts clipped to shoreline. I'm going to download that, put it in my project folder, and then drag it onto my map. So now I've got my map of city council districts. Next, I'm going to load up the COVID-19 free meal locations, and I'll do that by going to my data source manager, delimited text, finding the file, and the window went behind the main window, but I need to make sure that point coordinates is selected and QGIS has located longitude and latitude. I'll click add, okay. And then my points have displayed on the map. So what I want to do here is I want to find out which council district each COVID-19 free meal location is in. So as you can see here in the attribute table for the free meal locations, there is a district attribute, but this refers to the school district as opposed to the council district. But I want to add council districts. And I can find the join attributes by location tool under vector and data management tools. I'm going to join two features in free meal locations by comparing to council districts. And I want them to take on the attribute of the council districts that they are within, because these are points within a polygon. And for fields to add, I'm just going to select COUNDIST for council district because I don't need shape length or shape area. And I'll run this and it will create a temporary layer, which is now here for joined layer. If I look at that attribute table, I can see that there is now a new attribute called COUNDIST for the council district that it's within. I could test this out, see what it looks like by sorting the council district, selecting all the rows that say council district 1, and then I would expect those to be in council district 1, which is at the bottom of Manhattan. And there you can see that those points for those free meal locations are selected in yellow. I will deselect those, and I can now export this layer as a new shapefile. I'll call this free meals with council. And now that new shapefile has been joined to my map as a point layer with the attribute table that contains council districts.